Hey there, friends. Plants bring so much life to a home, even a little greenery can make a big difference. Today we're going to make our own mini planters. It's going to be fun and easy, I promise. You can add your own style. Let's get started. You can use anything for this project. An old teacup would be cute. Maybe you have a pretty little tin. Find something that speaks to you. We're going to give it new life. And a little plant to love. Okay, let's gather what we need. First, find your container. Make sure it's clean and dry. Now grab some potting soil. You'll need a small plant too, like a succulent. They are very easy to care for. Pick out some fun things to decorate with. Maybe you have some pretty pebbles or some colorful marbles. You can even use things you find in nature. Get creative. Now for the fun part. If you want to paint your container, now is the time. Let it dry completely. Then add your drainage layer. You can use small rocks or even pieces of broken pottery. This will help your plant's roots to stay healthy. Gently add your potting soil to the container. Make a little hole for your plant. Place it in the soil and pat it down gently. Now add your decorations. Look around your home. Where does your new planter look best? Maybe it brightens up a shelf. Or it could add some life to your kitchen windowsill. Plants need sunlight and a little water. Make sure to find a good spot for your new little friend. You did it. Now enjoy your beautiful handmade planter.